to start recording this as well. Okay, so let's see, another little trick. If you guys bring vector art in, import, file, and let's try, where's the tree? Tree logo, perfect. And then you wanted to import it as composition, retain layer sizes. Hit open. Okay, let's see. All right, so we've got our tree here. And essentially what we have is, yes, we've got a solid layer. What we want to do is, let's see if this will work on this. We want to convert these shapes, or this into, reconvert it back into vector art. So I believe the process is we select the layer in question, and then we go in and let's try create shapes from vector layer. So the information still reads as inside the image as a vector layer. So I'm going to click on it, and what that did, actually that came out pretty well. So essentially what that did, guys, is that it essentially duplicated this image and reconverted everything into a shape layer. So we still have the original image here, but now I can go in and I can just click on it and then just go in and the contents, now we've got everything just kind of almost like pretty much broken down. So if you guys ever do a logo for someone, or if you guys ever do logos, I mean, if you guys, or if anybody gives you any vector art, and if the vector art is flat, what it will do is you can import that in as a Adobe composition, just pretty much like we did last time with the Photoshop file with all the layers. And then if the vector art is, like I said, if the vector art is flat, you can reconvert it as a shape layer. So now you can make any adjustments if you guys are like savvy with the pen tool, or if you need to kind of make some slight adjustments. Yeah, that's one way to go about it. Any questions? All right. So yeah, so the reason why I like to do these like little things is it'll help with your workflow. At least I hope so. Because if you guys have to do anything that's a little bit more, like anything that's like a little creative, or anything you guys have to do work on, like different projects for other classes, maybe things like this will be helpful. So, or even on the projects here.